We are ready for normal distributions, example 2.3. All right, we're looking for a z-score. So again, that references the standard normal bell curve with 0 in the middle. All right, that's standard normal. Z, bell curve, 0 in the middle. All right, now this time they don't tell us where the z-score lives. It simply says 92.79% of the distribution falls to the right of it. Look, this is where we need critical thinking to figure out where to put that z-score. Now, if you don't know whether to put it below or above, flip a coin and guess. Let's just talk about it. Suppose you decided you wanted to put it up here somewhere. All right? Well, if they said that 92.79% falls to the right of it, that would be 0.9279 here to the right of this, 0.9279. And I would hope you'd look at that guess that I made, and you would say, there's no way that could be, because only 0.5, only half is up here, and that's more than 0.5. So how could you have that much area to the right if you're above the mean? There's no way. So hopefully you would look at it and go, nope, I guessed wrong. By the way, if you're wondering, I did that on purpose, just to illustrate that you can guess, and if it's wrong, figure it out. All right, so the idea would be, it seems like it'd be down here, and if it's going to be to the right of this z-score, from here forever to the right, as it describes in the question, and I'm going to put this up here, so 0.9279, that's 92.79% expressed in decimal form, would be all this area from here to forever to the right, 0.9279. Now remember that the table I'm wanting you to master always wants that middle sliver. So hopefully you would go, hey table, 0.9279, and the table will go, that's not a middle sliver. Table will want middle sliver. Table says to you, table want middle sliver. Table always want middle sliver. Table want area from here to here. You're not going to find 0.9279 in the body of that table. Or we got to adjust a little bit. So you go, oh yeah, I got you. You want this area right here. I'm putting a circle there, and we're going to put the number in there once we figure it out. You want this area right here. So I hope you would look at this and say, well, you know what I know about this? I know that this area from here, from the middle to the right, is 0.5. So wouldn't it make sense that if we need that middle sliver that the picky table wants, you would need to take this 92.79 and subtract that upper half of the bell curve. So let's do that over here. 0.9279 minus 0.5 is going to give us 0.4279. And wouldn't that be this middle sliver that picky table wants, right? So you take this, you subtract the upper half of the bell curve from it, and that would give you this middle sliver, 42.79. And you go, hey table, I got you a middle sliver there, 42.79. And at that point, table time. I'm going to break a hit. But anyway, yes, 42.79 is middle sliver. That makes the table happy. We go look for 4279 in the body of this table. And you will agree, I love that shadow there. 4279 lines up with 1.4 over here and 6 over here. So 1.46 would be the value we got from the table. Now, the way I've written that right now, I'm afraid that Mr. Sour Cream would have to count it wrong, I'm afraid, because, as we reasoned earlier, this had to be below the mean. What kind of numbers are below 0? Negative. If you forget the negative, I'm afraid we have to count it wrong. So anyway, that would be negative 1.46. And there you go. Stop. Table time.